After writing my book, Successful Management Styles of India, I realized many things. In fact, I would say that life is a learning process. So I was thinking that the golden four principles I proposed in my book: transparency, succession plan, empowerment, as well as compliance to the rules, are the 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 four principles which will give the Indian businessman or management a push. But then later I realized we need a lot of improvement on education, training, development, and we have to, after seeing our success in digitization in last 1 or 2 months, I feel that we have the potential, but we are not utilizing it. It's not the lack of money, but it's the lack of the will. So the point today, what I want to emphasize is, we don't read books. We don't get into the mainstream. So that's the reason why I thought I'll start with these short videos. Now, 7% of the vaccines which are earmarked for the public are utilized by the private sector, whereas the government allocated 25% for them. Now, this may look a small thing, but I will tell you what is the point in that. That shows the Indian businessmen or the private sector are selfish and they're short-sighted. They think the health is somebody else's portfolio, and they are not. It's not theirs. Even after the whole world economy is standstill after COVID, if Indian businessman doesn't realize that the health is very important, I'm really surprised. All the private sector should understand, if the people who are working for them, giving them the fair salary and then giving them the vaccine and then being healthy, that's what good for them. And if they're thinking somebody else or the employees or the people who are working, they're not connected, and it is stupidity. In my own house, the servant mates as well as the people who work with us, if they are healthy, we'll also be healthy. So if my driver and my servants are not healthy, and then I just can't be healthy. So a simple lesson which Corona has taught the Indians is that the rich as well as the poor both have to understand that they are depending on each other. The rich cannot get the work done if the poor are not available, and the poor cannot get their work if the rich are not providing their jobs. So the Corona lesson number 5 is that the interdependence we have to understand, and then neither capitalism nor communism will work in India. In India we work on humanism, and which is the reason why before the British came and before even the Muslim invasion, our economy was the top economy in the world, and we have to get back to our original supremacy by good humanitarian and knowledge-based society with compassion as well as hard work. And it's not the profit-oriented society, but the prosperity-oriented society. This is signing off, Rajsekhar Polapegada, Corona Lesson 5.